Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you? I'm Madam Amy. I'm sorry I was quite busy these few days, so I haven't got any time to make any videos. And today in this video, I'm going to share with all of you some tips on how to write argumentative essay, which is essay for MUET writing question number 2. I hope my video is going to be helpful to all of you who are sitting for MUET this year, and I will present my lesson in the form of PowerPoint slides video recording. I hope my video will be very beneficial to all of you. Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm going to share some tips on how to write an argumentative essay when you answer question 2 for MUET writing. Alright everyone, let's look at the introduction part, which is the first part. For introduction paragraph, you can start with an interesting opening. For example, you can start with a general statement or a grabber. What is a grabber? A grabber is a sentence that can attract the reader. Or you can write a question as a grabber, or even a famous quotation or a definition, like for this question, a definition of social media. And you can also include a suitable idiom or proverb. Alright, after that, you should state your stand, whether you agree or disagree or partially agree with the statement stated in the question. I'm going to share with you 3 styles of writing a stand. Firstly, let's say if you agree, you can write like this: I agree or totally agree with the statement social media has a positive impact on students' thinking skill and social skill. Or if you disagree, you can write like this: I disagree or I totally disagree with the statement social media has a positive impact on students' thinking skill and social skill. Or you can partially agree and you can write like this: I partially agree with the statement social media has a positive impact on students' thinking skill and social skill. Okay, after you have written your stand, you must write a thesis statement. Now, what is a thesis statement? A thesis statement is a sentence that contains 3 or 4 points. It is an overview of what your essay is going to be about, and it is very important for you to write a good thesis statement or a clear thesis statement. I'm going to share with you 3 styles of writing a thesis statement based on your stand. Now, let's say if you agree, you have to write your thesis statement like this: social media has a positive impact on students' thinking skill and social skill due to these reasons. And then you mention your points: point 1, point 2, and point 3, and point 4 if you have 4 points. Next, let's say if you disagree. This is how you write your thesis statement. Okay, I'm going to read it to you. Social media has a negative impact on students' thinking skill and social skill due to these reasons: point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4 if you have 4 points. And let's say if you partially agree. This is how you write your thesis statement. Social media has a positive impact on students' thinking skill and social skill due to these reasons: point 1 and point 2. Okay. However, I also believe that social media has a negative impact on students' thinking skill and social skill because, and then you mention your point number 3. or point number 3 and point number 4. When you partially agree, you are saying that social media has advantages and also disadvantages, or positive impact as well as negative impact. Alright, now after introduction part will be the second part, body. Okay, now for body, you can have 3 points or 4 points. Alright, in 3 to 4 paragraphs, write your points and elaborations with detailed examples. And you can start each paragraph with a suitable linking word so that you are showing the examiner that you have a good organization of paragraphs. These are some examples of suitable linking words that you can use. For example, firstly, next, moreover, furthermore, additionally, and in addition. The last part would be conclusion. For conclusion, you have to produce another paragraph, and in that particular paragraph, you have to restate your stand again, meaning write again your stand that you have written in the first paragraph, the introduction paragraph. You just have to copy it again and write it in your conclusion paragraph. Next, you also have to restate your thesis statement. Copy back your thesis statement from the introduction paragraph and write it in the conclusion paragraph, and then finally write a few sentences as a closing remark. I hope my tips are going to be very useful and helpful to all of you. Good luck in your MUET, and thank you for watching. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye. Over and out.